Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Glory Mtui and welcome to the family. Straight away we have short jumbo twist. I started with 3 packages of PRIMA Afro braiding hair. You can use any kind of hair branding you will prefer, and I also use rubber band. So I started with fresh hair. I washed my hair a day before and I put leave-in conditioner and I do cornrows to make sure my hair is stretched out for this style. I go ahead and part my back section and I use rubber band to tie every section. If your hair have enough oil, no need to add more oil in your rubber bands, otherwise your rubber band will become stiff and break. But if you feel your hair does not have enough oil, feel free to add a little amount of oil in your rubber bands before use. This is the amount of hair I will use in every single twist, and I also use latch hook. I got it from Amazon and I'll put the link in the description below.
Laid on the carpet, eye to eye, glistening, no, I saw it.
I apply Eco Gel in every strand of my natural hair before I use rubber band to tie it. If you use any kind of gel when you are braiding, especially this kind of hairstyle, it can help you to hold all your natural hair and make your style clean and neat. But if you don't like to use gel, here in my channel I have yarn twist style. I'll put the link in description below as well. In that video I show easy method and beginner friendly for those people who does not know how to twist or does not like to use gel. After I crochet the braiding hair into my natural hair, I separate my natural hair and pull it to make sure the rubber band tie enough. Then I start twist going down. Honestly, I find this method is a lifesaver for those people who does not like complicated things.
I saw it. You're golden, honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show you. You're golden, honestly, you glow it. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. You're golden.
I keep twisting till the length I want, then I take rubber band and tie the end.
You're golden, golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're golden, golden. Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. When we meet, hold my hand in the darkness. Summer heat, bodies laid on the carpet. Eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You know it. Yeah, you're glowing. Golden. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the so I could show you. Golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the golden. Yeah, you're golden. Golden. You're golden.
After I finish twist, I go ahead and cut all the excess hair and make sure my hair is clean and neat. Then wait. I'm not done yet, please. I accessorize my hair. After I cut all the excess hair, you can see how my twist looks like. Though it's my first time to do this jumbo twist, but honestly, the result surprised me. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video is useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye bye.